Hello, and welcome back to Talkie Talk English. I'm John.
And I'm Robbie. Today, we're going to talk about something we all experience from time to time: being sick.
That's right. Knowing how to explain how you feel and ask for help is very important. Our shadowing technique will help you practice these phrases.
Shadowing helps you improve your pronunciation and sound more natural, even when you don't feel your best.
If you like our podcast and you want more tips, please follow our channel.
Let's go and start practicing.
Okay, let's practice some useful phrases for different situations when you're not feeling well. Explaining how you feel. I feel sick. I feel sick. Or you can say, I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
Doctor might says, "What are your symptoms?" What are your symptoms? Or maybe says, "Tell me about your symptoms." Tell me about your symptoms.
You can describe your symptoms. For example, I have a headache and a sore throat. I have a headache and a sore throat. Or you can say, my head hurts and my throat is sore. My head hurts and my throat is sore. Another example, I feel pain in my head and throat. I feel pain in my head and throat.
And doctor might says, "Do you have a cough?" Do you have a cough? Or says, "Have you been coughing?" Have you been coughing?
If you have, you can say, yes, and I feel very tired. Yes, and I feel very tired. Asking for help or medicine. Can you get me some medicine for a headache? Can you get me some medicine for the headache? Or say, do you have anything for a headache? Do you have anything for a headache?
Maybe he say, "Sure, I have some paracetamol." Or say, "Sure, I can give you some paracetamol." Sure, I can give you some paracetamol.
If you want medicine for a cough, you say so. Do you have anything for a cough? Do you have anything for a cough?
Maybe he answer, "Sure, I have some cough syrup." Sure, I have some cough syrup. Or you might hear, "Yes, I've got some tablets you can take." Yes, I've got some tablets you can take. Here, you can take, it means to use.
Very well. Let's listen to another example of the conversation. For example, this time you have a stomach ache. Good afternoon, doctor. I've been having a stomach ache since yesterday. I've been having a stomach ache since yesterday. Or you can say, my stomach has been hurting since yesterday. My stomach has been hurting since yesterday.
Maybe doctor asking you, "I see. Can you describe the pain?" I see. Can you describe the pain? Here, I see. It means to, I understand. Or you might hear, "Can you explain what your pain is like?" Can you explain what your pain is like?
You can say, it gets worse after I eat something heavy. It gets worse after I eat something heavy. Or you can say, I feel more discomfort when I eat too much. I feel more discomfort when I eat too much.
Maybe say, "Do you have any other symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea?" Do you have any other symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea?
You can say, I feel a little nauseous, but no vomiting or diarrhea. I feel a little nauseous, but no vomiting or diarrhea. Or say, I've been feeling a little nauseated, but I haven't vomited or had diarrhea. I've been feeling a little nauseated, but I haven't vomited or had diarrhea.
He says, "All right, I'll prescribe some medicine." "All right, I'll prescribe some medicine." Or he might says, "All right, I'll write a prescription for you." "All right, I'll write a prescription for you." Here, write a prescription means to prescribe. You should also avoid oily or spicy food for a few days. You should also avoid oily or spicy food for a few days.
And finally, you can say, "Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice."
Remember, it's important to take care of yourself when you're sick.
Practice these phrases until they sound natural. Listen to this podcast again and again.
If you think you don't understand, don't worry. I promise you will learn by repeating and listening often.
Thank you for listening. We hope you stay healthy. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to our channel. And until the next episode, goodbye.
Bye, have a good day.